gents? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in today's video I thought I would show you guys a fun little hack to apply beard oil without using your hands. That's right, there are some times where I just don't want to put any oil on my hands and rubbing it into my beard. That way I gotta wipe it off, it gets everywhere. Just want to do a hands-free video, so I thought I'd bring you guys along, kind of put you on a 102 course, right? So we got your 101s, and this will be maybe more of your advanced skill level, if you know what I'm talking about. Now, to do this video, we're gonna need three things. One, we're going to need a brush or a comb. Second, we're going to need a beard oil. In this case, we're gonna be using Artist Man's Autumn Spice because we are in full fall season. And third, of course, we're going to need a hair dryer to finish everything off. So let's get this tutorial started. Now for this tutorial to start, we're going to use a half to a full vial of oil. Now, for a hands-free application, we're just gonna go ahead, push our face out just a little bit so it's not getting into our clothes, and slowly apply the beard oil into our beard with the applicator. Let's go ahead and bring out our brush, and let's go ahead and bring out our handy dandy hair dryer. And then we're gonna go ahead and work it in as I roll up with my comb. So we'll roll up. And now we'll work down. Yep, there's that autumn spice smell. I love it. And that's basically it. We're working the oil in with our brush and the hair dryer. Now here's a little kicker that I like as well. Since my hair is just still a little bit damp, we can go ahead and use the remaining oil or the smell that's in the brush, and we can actually comb it into our hair. That way everything's smelling nice and autumny, pepperminty. Yeah. Once again, finish everything off with your brush. You'll get that top. And look at that, hands are oil free. The beard, the hair, the mustache is looking perfect. So keep growing out, you guys. We got 2 more weeks left of the beard season and in mustache November. And we'll see what happens at the end of the month because this might be a fun way to go out. We're gonna be hitting 20,000 subscribers here within the next possible week or two. And I just wanna say thank you. So that being said, like always, like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!